Hello dog lovers all over the Philippines and of course the world. Today will be our 6th vlog and we will be featuring the 209th FCI All Breed Dog Show to the 29th, 2022 at the PCCI Activities Center located at Sumulong Highway in Marikina City. We will be showing you the winners of each group, the best in show winners, as well as some words from our exhibitors. Our judging schedule was as follows. For day 1, in the morning we had the following groups, namely Terriers, Retrievers, Flashing Dogs, Water Dogs, and Sight Hounds. In the afternoon, we had the Companion and Toy Dogs. For the second day, we had the Sheepdogs and Cattle Dogs, followed by Spitz and Primitive types. In the afternoon, we had the Scent Hounds and related breeds, and Dachshunds. A total of 350 dogs were judged for the show. Our judge for today is a true Doberman person. His involvement with the breed started in 1986 with his first show dog, Abe's Ace Inca, which he showed to her Grand Championship, there being no Hall of Fame title to be won at the time yet. Eugene, as he is fondly called by friends, is married to the current president of the Philippine Doberman Federation, Miss Ningning Quintanar Chua, and thus the Quintanar and Wichita Doberman kennels were merged. This collaboration has produced champions, multiple champions, best in show and best in specialty show winners through the years. Eugene has also been involved with Minpins, Chihuahuas, and French Bulldogs, and has likewise produced champions from these breeds. He also co-owns the number 1 Pug and number 2 All Breeds in 2016 and the Top Dog All Breeds of 2018. Mr. Chua is currently a member of the PCCI's Board of Directors and Chairman of the Registration Committee. Let us now watch the winners of the different groups. For Group 3, Terriers, the best in group, also the best Philippine-born in group, is the Yorkshire Terrier. Second best in group is the Jack Russell Terrier. Third best in group, Norwich Terrier. Fourth best in group, also the junior in group, is the Welsh Terrier. Best baby puppy goes to the Jack Russell Terrier. For group number 7, Pointing Dogs. Best in group, also the best Philippine-born in group winner, is the German Short-Haired Pointer. Second best in group is the Weimaraner. And the best veteran in group is the German Short-Haired Pointer. For Group 8, Retrievers, Flashing Dogs, and Water Dogs group competition, the best in group goes to the American Cocker Spaniel. The second best in group is the Golden Retriever. Third best in group is the Labrador Retriever. The fourth best in group is the Clumber Spaniel. Best Philippine-born is the Golden Retriever. Best Junior is the Golden Retriever. Best Baby Puppy is also the Golden Retriever. For Group 10, Sight Hounds, there was only one entry, so automatically it won Best in Group, and that is the Afghan Hound. For Group 9, Companion and Toy Dogs. The best in group goes to the French Bulldog. Group 2 and also winner of the best Philippine-born in group is the Pekingese. Group 3 is the Pug. Group 4 is the Bichon Frise. The best junior for this group is the Pug. The best baby puppy winner is the Pekingese. Let's now listen to some words from a Pembroke Welsh Corgi enthusiast, none other than Mr. Wency Villanueva.
By the way, my name is Wency Villanueva, Corgis, mas kilala sa ganung pangalan, and I'm one of the enthusiasts sa Corgi and breeder ng Pembroke Corgi. Actually, sumasali kami ng dog show because for me, ito yung magandang bonding ng family namin and with my partner. At the same time, isa kasi ako sa mga passionate about sa breed na to and gusto ko mag-inspire sa other na gusto mong mag-alaga ng Corgi in future na kung gaano kaganda yung breed ng Corgi. At the same time, nakakatulong siya sa mental health. Lalo ngayon, pandemic, di ba? Ang sarap sumali sa dog show, lalo na nakakamit ka ng iba't ibang klaseng tao. You gain a lot of friends. At the same time, yung experience, yun yung hindi kasi malilimutan. And talagang malaking tulong siya, lalo na kapag gustong-gusto mo yung ginagawa. And I really love joining dog show talaga, actually. Sa akin, ang advice ko lang sa kanila, kailangan nila una ng maraming oras dahil ang pagdo-dog show kasi hindi yan yung basta-basta lang. You need to train. Of course, kailangan pakita mo yung care and pagmamahal sa aso mo para masabi mo na pwede kayo mag-dog show. Though lahat naman are open and welcome sa dog show, lalo na yung mga bago at gusto magsimula. Another na ma-advise ko sa kanila is enjoy lang nila kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Win or lose, ano man yung resulta ng dog show, ang mahalaga na-enjoy nila yung ginagawa nila. At the same time, masaya sila pag-uwi nila at pagpunta nila dito. And at the end of the day naman, it's not all about tayong mga tao. It's all about kung paano natin mahalin yung mga alaga natin.
For Group 1, sheepdogs and cattle dogs, best in group goes to the Pembroke Welsh Corgi. Second best in group is the German Shepherd dog. Third best in group is the Australian Cattle dog. Fourth best in group, Australian Shepherd. The best Philippine-born in group goes to Australian Cattle dog. The best junior goes to the Pembroke Welsh Corgi. Best baby puppy is the German Shepherd dog. For Group 5, Spitz and Primitive types, the best in group, also winner of the best Philippine-born in group, is the Siberian Husky. The second best in group is the Pomeranian. Third best in group is the American Akita. Fourth best in group is the Alaskan Malamute. The best junior in group winner is the Chow Chow. The best baby puppy in group winner, Pomeranian. Some words from one of our exhibitors, this time a boxer enthusiast, Miss Marilyn Chan.
Hi, I'm Marilyn Chan, President of the Boxer Club of the Philippines. Actually, I have 3 reasons kung bakit ako sumasali sa dog show. First, syempre, yung love ko for dogs. Dapat talaga yan kasi 'di ba, sabi nila ang dogs is a man's best friend. So in my case, a woman's best friend. So second, kaya ako sumasali sa dog show dahil pang-distress. Kasi sa Monday to Friday, ang daming work, ang daming Saturday, Sunday, distress naman tayo sa dog show. And last, but not the least, syempre yung camaraderie sa friends na nahanap mo dito sa show na sometimes nagiging family na rin. Iba yung banter ng laughter, nakakawala talaga ng pagod, nakakawala ng mga iniisip sa everyday problems natin. Ang advice ko is, first, know your breed. Kung ano yung talagang gusto mong breed na isali as exhibitor dito sa dog show para you'll have that enthusiasm na every Sunday you come here, you bring the dog, you prep the dog. Syempre, iba-iba tayo ng breed. So, know your breed, hanapin mo kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. And then, syempre, siguro yung patience na rin. Kasi, dagdagan ang patience ng mga bagong breeder kasi sa dog show, matagal lang intayan. So, we have to, ano talaga kung kailan yung sasalang and all. So, yun lang. Basta love the dogs kasi in the end, every dog naman na inuwi natin is lahat siya number one kasi mahal natin yung dogs natin.
For Group 2, Pinschers and Schnauzer, Molossoid breeds. The best in group goes to the Boxer. Second best in group goes to the Bull Mastiff. Third best in group, also the best Philippine-born, is the Rottweiler. Fourth best in group, Miniature Pinscher. Best junior is the Doberman. Best baby puppy goes to the Salt and Pepper Miniature Schnauzer. Group 6, Scent Hounds and related breeds. The best in group, also winner of the Philippine-born in group, is the Beagle. Second best in group is the Petit Basset Griffon Bandine. Third best in group is the Basset Hound. Best junior is the Basset Hound. Best baby puppy is the Beagle. For Group 4, Dachshunds, best in group is the Standard Smooth Dachshund. Second best in group, also the best Philippine-born in group winner, as well as the best junior in group, is the Mini Long-Haired Dachshund. And now, let us watch the most awaited Best in Show competition. Best Baby Puppy in Show competition. The winner of the Best Baby Puppy in Show is the Pomeranian. Second baby puppy in show is the Pekingese. Third best baby puppy in show is the Golden Retriever. Best puppy in show competition. Best puppy in show is the Chow Chow. Second best puppy in show, Pekingese. Third best puppy in show is the Pembroke Welsh Corgi. Best junior in show competition. For the best junior in show, the winner is the Golden Retriever. The second best junior in show is the Pug. Third best junior in show is the Doberman. And now, the most awaited Best in Show competition. Finally, the winner of the Best in Show is the Boxer. Second best in show, French Bulldog. Third best in show, also the winner of the best Philippine-born in show, the Yorkshire Terrier. Philippine-born in show competition. Moving on to the second best Philippine-born in show is the Siberian Husky. The third best Philippine-born in show is the Golden Retriever. Veteran in show competition. The best veteran in show is the Siberian Husky. Second best veteran is the German short-haired pointer. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our vlog, please like and subscribe. Also, please click the notification bell so you get to be informed that we have uploaded new content. Salamat po ng madami.